This is going to be the Forex trading strategy for 2021. And if we get into another lockdown, worry not. We've written it down in a book. You can make money from home. Become flexible. Can you see the point being made here, guys? Here's the disclaimer, it's required by law. Remember, we enter all trades at our own risk, but we're going to show you how it's done. Let's go. Traders, here's yet another trade. This is all from last week. This is the dollar Swissy. We've traded this one before, so it's nothing new. I mean, we discuss this all the time. I mean, this particular pair, it does it quite often, but I mean, you can see it here. What does it do? Okay. Up, up, up. Where's in this trade? Down, down, up, up, down, down. Okay. It does the same thing over and over again. So this particular trade was from last week. And what we're going to do, we're just going to sit and trade it. Okay. We're going to sit. Now, the lipstick is already on. So this is the anticipatory side of the trade. And then we're going to see the executionary side. But as we go, right, it went up, 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 up. There we are. We got our trend line on. Let's go across. Oh, Lord, it was going up and up and up. It's not coming down. It's not. Oh, oh, oh. Snap! It broke the trend line. Guys, how easy is that? Come on. It's another phenomenal trade. I absolutely love it. Excuse the passion. Excuse the fact that I get excited when I see these trades. It happens again and again and again. And it pays money. Okay? It pays money, guys. I mean, seriously. I mean, this particular trade, let's just have a look. It goes on and on. We put the lipstick on, entry 2. We look for the pullback entry. We didn't get it. We're in it. We got sucked in at the entry 2, though, didn't we? Look at that. Pullback is up there. Oh, we got a pullback. Are we going to hit the 200 or we're going to go? Oh, we're going to go up. What are we going to do? Oh, Lord. Come on. He just hit our target. I mean, another phenomenal trade. I'm not trying to look 58 pips. We didn't get the pullback. If we got the pullback, good Lord, that would have been a good 88. But we didn't get it. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. We don't mind. I remember this trade, and I knew that. I'm going to talk about that. Don't worry about it. But anyway, this was a beautiful trade, lovely trade, absolutely wonderful. And you know, I just love these trades. Look, am I going to predict what's going to happen next week? No, I'm not. But oh, Lord of His mercy, look, break of the trend line. Come on, I'm telling you now, likely predict. It might work, it might not work. I mean, trades happen and trades, you succeed and trade fail, but break of the trend line, start putting lipstick on already. You can do it right now. Should I do it with you? Okay. You got the pull back. Let's do it. Let's do it together. Let's do it real quick. Let's do it. We got an entry, right? We got the target 1. We got the target 2. Hey, that's the job. That's the job. It's on a pending order over here. You put your order in just above the fractal there. You put your target. Then you walk away. This is how you make money trading Forex at home. Don't worry about lockdown, schmockdown. If you're home, beautiful, phenomenal. Now you got time. Your most valuable asset is your time. Now you got the time. You can sit at home. You can learn how to do this. And who knows, you might not need to go back to work. You might end up becoming a Forex trader. Like the plumber. I mean, there's so many people out there. Just wait 1 second. Let me show you something real quick. I mean, well, just 1 second. Okay, guys, look, here's the YouTube channel. You just go to YouTube, search Forex, right? You put Forex in the search bar here, Forex Exchange, whatever. And look at 18-year-old. Now, I did an interview here with Trading Nut. You can see that. All trades, it's all in there. Gary, 10,000 hours. These are people you spend this. Oh, how do you go down? You spend time Your most valuable asset is your time. And look, that's what you have here. Look, everybody's trading. You, if you're at work, you're trading your time. So you ain't got time to do this. But people who have time learn this stuff and make a mint, right? Where's that kid gone? 500 to, I don't, everyone's not going to do that and they just start, but 529 in 5 weeks. That was a bit of a risky play. 10 to 1,000. I mean, come on. The opportunities there, the possibilities there, the probabilities there. You can do this. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next recording. Please like, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, something you'd like me to look at, something you feel that you want more of explanation on. No problem. By the way, get the book. It's available. It's a gift. It's a gift. Don't worry about lockdown. It's an opportunity for you to realize other ambitions you possibly could have. Thank you again, guys. Till the next video. Bye-bye.